everyone, I want to teach you how to draw trend lines. First of all, you have to spot for the higher highs and higher lows if it's an uptrend. When it's a downtrend, you spot for the lower highs and the lower lows. So here we're looking for higher highs and higher lows. So I'll just use a text so that you will see it clearly, but you don't have to write them when so let's start with the higher highs. Okay, I will spot every higher high, but when I'm drawing a trend line, I will use those that are in the same line. So the second one, I'm just gonna clone, I'm lazy to type. The third one, the fourth one, okay, sorry, the fifth one, and the last one. So now let's look for the higher lows. So let me check. Okay, let's start with this one. Let's leave this one. Higher low. And let's clone it. Second one, last one. So when you draw a trend line, make sure you cover all the most touches, and also cover the wicks, because sometimes the market can be hard to you if you don't cover the wicks. It can kick you out. So okay, I prefer to use line graph, I mean, so that I can spot correctly. So yes, okay, and then the perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. Perfect. Now let's go back to our bar graph. Yes, this is how you draw your trend lines. This is sorry guys for the pop-ups, I'm using a free version. This is a trend line that acts as a support, and then this is a trend line that acts as a resistance. Sorry. So this is how, in every time frame, that's how you draw your trend line. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching.